Breaking news, Tinubu in another dilemma. As right now, we can see that CSOs ask court to compel IGP to charge Tinubu with perjury over certificate controversies. So, IGP police will not do that because Tinubu controls them. Okay, CSOs are saying Tinubu should be charged for certificate forgery and what have you. There could be a case like that, but the possibility of it happening, I will just give you your answer even before it goes any further. Well, there are a lot of things that are not very quite clear about Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, but that's the way Nigeria goes. Yes, there are some people you are not even sure of with regards to certain issues. One of such people is Tinubu. Tinubu came to Lagos with, through the presidential wing, and nobody said anything. Is he the president of Nigeria? And any other person is not even a civil servant currently. What I was saying is not a governor, is not a senator, is none of this. But guess what? He's the one giving the direction in terms of all these things. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. CSO asked court to compel IGP to charge Tinubu with perjury over certificate controversy. The incorporated trustees of Central for Reform and Public Access, civil society organization CSOs, have sued Usman Baba in Akali, Inspector General of Police, IGP, over his alleged refusal to prosecute Bola Ahmed Tinubu, or the All Progressive Congress presidential candidate, in a suit the suit number is there, filed in on July the 4th. The group claimed that Tinubu lied under oath when he tendered his credentials to the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, in 1999. He ran for the governorship of Lagos State at the time. Besides Tinubu, the academic qualification of Atiku Abubakar, the People Democratic Party presidential candidate and governor of Delta State, his running mate, have been under scrutiny. The group said the IGP is empowered by the Constitution and Police Act to probe criminal allegations levied against anyone. In an order of mandate compelling the correspondent to comply with Section 31 and 32 of the Police Act and Section 3 of the Criminal Justice Act 2015 in respect of the alleged crime laid out in compliance of the applicant incapability in the letter of June 16, 2022, received by the correspondent on the same date and title, Demand for Criminal Prosecution, and Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu under Section 191, 192, and 463, the Criminal Code of Act, Law of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, consequently under the findings of the Lagos State House of Assembly ad hoc committee in 1999, and court document reads, the CSOs in the suit said, according to Section 31 of the Police Act, any suspect is meant to be arrested and tried in court. Suspect or defendant alleged to charge with committee of offense established in the Act of the National Assembly and any other law should be arrested, investigated, and tried. And according to the provision of the law, except otherwise provided under the Act, the CSOs has asked that Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu be carried out, must be called upon immediately and be arrested. So this is exactly what is happening right now. They've asked that Tinubu be arrested and charged to court, and Usman Akali Baba has come up with that to say, you know what, the necessary thing must be done immediately, and Tinubu must face the consequences of some of the decisions or actions that have happened in time past. In 1999, Tinubu produced his primary and secondary results in 1999. And those things were even, he had to even defend them. Yes. But in 2021 or 2021, 2020, 22 as we are now. Tinubu said he can't find them. So, I mean, these were things he swore other oaths to say, you know what, he was going to do this, he's going to do that. And currently, as we speak, there are a lot of issues and matters ongoing, and people are wondering, Tinubu was the right thing. So he's been charged to say, you know what, this is perjury, and this must be cleared, this must be done, you know, in order for things to be done immediately, and, you know, for Nigerians to have, you know, truthful leaders as the one who will come on board. So there are all kinds of indications against Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, as currently as we speak. His results, he is the presidential candidate of the All Progressive Congress. His own, that of Atiku and Atiku's running mate, governor of Delta State, are under serious scrutiny. And so Usman Akali Baba has been asked to look into Tinubu's record, and so that they can understand what is going on. But based on what Tinubu has produced before and what is currently ongoing, there are two different information. And that's why this group is saying Tinubu should be arrested. Well, we'll see what will happen if the IGP of police has the effrontery to be able to do so, and we'll see what will happen. You know, we'll see how this whole thing will go on. Well, the days are upon us where politicians in Nigeria seemingly not, you know, are not really telling the truth like they should. Okay, you see, they're not really telling the truth like they should. You know, elections are around the corner, and more about their lives and what have they are coming out gradually, you know, and everyone can see. So these are some of the things that are happening, and it is important, it's expedient we begin to see to it that some of these things, you know, that indeed there is truth being displayed at all of us. Well, Nigerians, the time to rise up and ensure that we come off what is currently on ground is now, okay, so that truly, sincerely speaking, there can be truth for Nigerians, and every one of us can truly, you know, come to a place where there is transparency, there is truth, and Nigerians can have the best opportunity for a change, because we're long overdue for this change we're talking about. We're long overdue. The country has been in a state of dilemma, and that time to change is now. We need a president who can be trusted, a man or a woman who can bring new freshness to what is currently on ground. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now. Bye.